Hello, my friends. Today, we are not in the kitchen, but in the garden. We will talk about something wonderful. We will learn how to grow salad vegetables and make a good income. Think about fresh, crispy lettuce. Think about spicy rocket and tender spinach. These are not just tasty, they are also a great business idea. People everywhere, especially in our cities in South Asia, want to eat healthier. They are looking for fresh, local produce. This is where you, the modern farmer, come in. Growing salad greens is a fantastic opportunity because they grow so quickly. You can have a crop ready to sell in just a few weeks. This means you can earn money faster than with many other crops. The demand for fresh salad is always high. From fancy restaurants to local neighborhood markets, everyone wants it. People are making healthy choices. They add salads to their daily meals. This means you will always have customers waiting for your beautiful greens. It's a business with a big heart and a healthy profit. You don't need a massive farm to start. You can begin with a small patch of land, or even in containers on a terrace. The investment is small, but the returns can be very rewarding. It is a simple way to connect with nature and with your community, all while building a successful venture from the ground up with your own two hands. So, why are salad vegetables such a brilliant choice for a new farmer? It is because they are forgiving. They are easy to grow. You do not need years of experience. You just need a little bit of knowledge, some passion, and the willingness to learn. We call this cut and come again farming. You can harvest the outer leaves and the plant will keep growing from the center. This gives you a continuous supply from the same plants. This is very efficient and very profitable. It is like having a green money-making machine in your own backyard. It's a beautiful cycle of planting, growing, harvesting, and earning. Let us start this journey together. I will guide you step by step. We will explore everything you need to know, from preparing the perfect soil to selling your harvest for the best price. This is not just about farming, it is about creating a lifestyle. It is about providing something pure and healthy to people. Imagine the pride you will feel when you see your fresh, organic salad greens on someone's plate. It is a feeling that is more valuable than money. But don't worry, the money will come too. Let's get our hands dirty and grow something amazing. Let's begin this green revolution right now. Solution. The first step to growing anything delicious is the soil. Your soil is the home for your plants. It must be comfortable and full of life. For salad greens, you need soil that is rich in organic matter. It should be loose and well-draining. Think of it like making a perfect biryani. Every ingredient matters. If your soil is heavy clay, you can add compost and sand to make it lighter. If it is too sandy, adding compost and good garden soil will help it hold water. The ideal soil should feel like a crumbly chocolate cake in your hands. This kind of soil allows the delicate roots of your salad plants to grow strong and healthy. Next, let's talk about the sun. Sunlight is food for your plants. Most salad vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and rocket love the sun. They need at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day to grow well. Find a spot in your garden or on your farm that gets plenty of morning sun. The gentle morning sun is perfect. The harsh afternoon sun, especially in our hot South Asian climates, can sometimes be too much. It can make the leaves bitter. If you live in a very hot place, a little bit of afternoon shade can be a blessing for your tender greens. Observe the light in your chosen location for a full day before you plant. Water is life, and this is especially true for salad greens. Their leaves are full of water, which makes them crisp and juicy. You need a growing location with easy access to a clean water source. Your plants will need regular watering, so carrying buckets over a long distance can become very tiring. Plan your vegetable beds near a tap, a well, or a water tank. Also, check for good drainage. While salad plants love water, they do not like to sit in a puddle. Soggy soil can cause their roots to rot. A gentle slope is ideal, as it allows excess water to drain away naturally, keeping the roots happy. Finally, protect your precious plants. Your chosen site should be safe from strong winds, which can damage the tender leaves. You can create a natural fence with taller plants or install a simple screen. Also, think about pests. While we will discuss natural pest control later, choosing a clean and open area can prevent many problems from the start. A well-chosen site is like a good foundation for a house. It makes everything that follows much easier and much more successful. Taking the time to select the perfect spot is the first and most important investment in your profitable salad farming business. Now for the exciting part, planting. There are two simple ways to start. You can sow seeds directly into your prepared soil, or you can start them in small seedling trays and transplant them later. For beginners, direct sowing is very easy. Make shallow lines or furrows in your soil about half an inch deep. Sprinkle the tiny seeds thinly along these lines. Don't put too many seeds in one place. They need space to grow. After sowing, cover the seeds with a light layer of soil. Pat it down gently with your hand. It's like tucking your baby plants into a cozy bed. This helps the seeds make good contact with the soil. Watering is an art. You must do it with care. After planting, you need to water the soil gently. Use a watering can with a fine rose attachment. This will give a soft shower and not disturb the seeds. The soil should be kept moist, but not waterlogged. Think of a damp sponge. That is the perfect moisture level. For the first few weeks, you may need to water every day, especially if it is hot. As the plants grow bigger, you can water them every 2 or 3 days. The best time to water is early in the morning. This allows the plants to drink up the water before the hot sun arrives and the leaves will dry, preventing diseases. To make your life easier and save water, consider using a drip irrigation system. This might sound complicated, but it is very simple. It is a network of small pipes with tiny holes. These pipes are laid along your plant rows. Water drips out slowly and goes directly to the roots of the plants. This is fantastic because it saves a lot of water compared to flooding the field. It also keeps the leaves dry, which helps to prevent fungal diseases. It is a smart investment for any modern farmer. It saves you time, saves water, and helps your plants grow even better. It is a win-win situation. Feeding your plants is crucial for a bountiful harvest. The best food for your salad greens is compost. It is natural, it is cheap, and it is full of all the nutrients your plants need. You can make your own compost from kitchen scraps and garden waste. It is like black gold for your soil. A few weeks after your seedlings sprout, you can add a layer of compost around the base of the plants. This is called top dressing. This slow release of nutrients will keep them happy and growing strong. Avoid using harsh chemical fertilizers. Organic options are safer for you, your customers, and the environment. Happy plants mean a healthy profit. The moment you have been waiting for has arrived. The harvest. Salad greens are ready to harvest very quickly, sometimes in just 30 to 45 days. The best time to harvest is early in the morning. The leaves are cool, crisp, and full of moisture then. For cut and come again varieties like lettuce and rocket, you can simply snip the outer leaves with a clean pair of scissors or a sharp knife. Leave the inner, younger leaves to continue growing. This way, you can get multiple harvests from the same plant. For head lettuces, you can cut the entire plant at the base when the head is firm and full. Be gentle. The leaves are delicate. After harvesting, you must handle your greens with care. Take them to a cool shaded area immediately. The sun can make them wilt very quickly. The next step is cleaning. You need to wash them thoroughly to remove any soil or tiny insects. The best way is to submerge them in a large basin of clean, cool water. Swirl them around gently. Then lift them out and let the dirty water settle. You might need to repeat this 2 or 3 times until the water is clear. After washing, it is very important to dry the leaves properly. You can use a salad spinner or lay them on clean towels to air dry. Wet leaves will rot quickly in the packaging. Packaging is all about presentation and freshness. Your customers will buy with their eyes first. Clear plastic bags or clamshell containers are good choices as they show off your beautiful fresh produce. Make sure the packaging has small holes for ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. Label your packages with your farm's name. This helps build your brand and trust with customers. You can also add the date of harvest. People love to know they are buying something that was picked just that morning. Good packaging not only protects your greens, but also tells a story of quality and care, allowing you to ask for a better price. Now, it is time to sell and earn your profit. You have many options. You can sell directly to customers at a local farmer's market. This is a great way to meet people and get feedback. You can also supply to local restaurants, cafes, and hotels. They always need a steady supply of fresh, high-quality salad greens. Another idea is to start a subscription service, delivering a box of fresh greens to homes in your neighborhood every week. Remember, freshness is your biggest selling point. Your locally grown salad will always be fresher and tastier than produce that has traveled for days. Be proud of your hard work, and your customers will be happy to pay for it.